In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add passport details on Booking.com account. If you're preparing for an international trip, you might be asked to provide passport information either for a property's check-in requirements or for a flight booking. I'll show you where to look in your account, what you can and can't save, and what to do if you don't see a passport section at all. Start by signing in to Booking.com, either on the website or in the app. Once you're logged in, tap your name or account icon to open your account area, then go to My Profile. This is where you can edit your personal information, like your name and contact details. Take a moment to make sure your name matches your passport exactly, including middle names if they appear on your travel documents. Small differences can cause issues at check-in or during security checks. Now here's the important part. You may or may not see dedicated passport fields in your profile. Whether those fields appear depends on your account type and your region. Booking.com doesn't offer the passport section to everyone, and in many cases, they don't allow storing passport numbers directly in the profile at all. So if you don't see any place to add a passport number or expiration date, that's normal for some users and means Booking.com doesn't support saving this information in that part of your account. If you don't see an option to add passport details, there are two reliable next steps. First, contact Booking.com customer support from within your account. They can confirm whether passport info is required for your upcoming booking and explain the correct way to submit it. Second, if this is for a specific stay, message the property directly through the app or website. Properties often collect passport details at check-in due to local laws, or they might request them securely in advance. Reaching out directly ensures you're following the property's preferred process. If your booking includes a flight, be aware that passport details are often handled on the airline's own website. Use your booking reference to access the airline's Manage Booking page and enter your passport information there. This is common for many carriers and helps ensure your details are transmitted securely and correctly to the airline. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always share passport information only through official channels, double-check accuracy before submitting, and keep your profile name consistent with your travel documents. That's it. Now you know exactly where to look, what to expect, and how to proceed if the passport fields aren't available in your Booking.com account. Safe travels,